Good morning. Then let me show you our usual preparation before assembling. Then I prepare this is QSD cast. Sorry. Then correct. Combine, insert, wafer, spacer, and this a kind of WD-40 and a thicker oil, like it's for assembling. And first, here inside I will usually apply some lubricant inside the mold to make it smoother. Here, sometimes I will use finger or even you use pen or something tool. It's no problem. Just make sure here inside is full lubricant. Okay, check this. Then okay. And now we can assemble it used by hydraulic press.